Do MetLife or Hyatt Legal Plans cover bankruptcy attorneys? Are you thinking about filing for bankruptcy but aren't sure if your MetLife or Hyatt Legal Plan will help cover the attorney fees? Well, the good news is many bankruptcy attorneys do accept these plans. And in this video, we'll walk you through how it works, what you need to know, and how to find an attorney who accepts the MetLife Legal Plan. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and like this video to support the channel. This helps us get more people out of debt. First, does the MetLife Legal Plan cover bankruptcy? So let's start with the most important question. Does MetLife cover bankruptcy? The short answer is yes. MetLife's website lists personal bankruptcy under the Money Matters section, and it's fully covered when using a network attorney. This means that all attorney services related to your bankruptcy case will be paid for by the legal plan. If you're already feeling the pressure of debt, this can be a huge weight lifted off your shoulders. Now that you know you're covered, the next step is to check if you qualify for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and see what the attorney fees might be in your area. Take our free attorney fee calculator to get a better idea of what you might be facing. The calculator gives you insights into fees, eligibility for Chapter 7, and also compares other debt relief options. It's a great starting point if you're looking for financial clarity. Second, what if my attorney does not accept MetLife or Hyatt Legal Plans? While not all bankruptcy attorneys are on the list, many actually do accept them. So be sure to check with your attorney first. And don't worry, if you're not sure where to start, we've got you covered. If you need a recommendation, we can refer you to an experienced bankruptcy attorney who accepts MetLife/Hyatt Legal Plans. These attorneys are part of our trusted network with an average of 4.9 star ratings from thousands of reviews. To connect with one of them, just give us a call here at 833-272-3631. Third, how do I find an attorney who accepts MetLife plans? Finding an attorney through your MetLife or Hyatt Legal Plan is pretty simple. MetLife members can use the MetLife Legal Plan app to find bankruptcy attorneys in their network. Once logged in, just search for bankruptcy attorneys and you're good to go. The app is available on Google Play and the Apple iOS store, so you can easily access it from your phone. If you're looking for a more personalized touch, again, don't hesitate to take our attorney calculator to estimate costs and see a list of attorneys who accept MetLife plans. Most attorneys who accept these plans also provide free consultations. This means you can discuss your situation without any upfront costs to decide whether bankruptcy is the right choice for you. Fourth, let's wrap up with some final thoughts. When it comes to bankruptcy, you do not have to do it alone. With the right support and resources, you can take control of your financial future. Whether you're filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy or considering other debt relief options, we're here to help you every step of the way. If this video helped you, please subscribe and like to keep supporting our channel so we can continue bringing you valuable content like this. Thanks for watching.